This video talks you through completing tab 2, Impacts, in the Adapt to Survive worksheet. This has a written guide corresponding in section 3.2 of Adapt to Survive. This is tab 2, Impacts. In this tab, you'll assign a value from 1 to 4, showing the severity of each of the potential impacts listed here. In section 3.2 of Adapt to Survive, there are two tables. Tables 2 and 3, which apply the class system from the NHS Business Impact Analysis template to the impacts in the worksheet, converting classes 0, A, B and C into number values from 1, a minor impact, to 4, a severe impact. This is to help you determine how severe each impact is. It's not expected you'll be able to carry out a quantitative assessment of how severe each impact will be, but assigning a severity level as here to each impact based on you or your colleagues' experiences will allow you to prioritise the sort of impacts you'd like to adapt to in later sections. Other things you can consider are how much of an impact the listed scenario could have on your patient's health directly, how much it would impact your ability to treat them effectively, and whether the scenario would cost a large amount of money or time to fix. Once you've read through these and determined severity levels, you can click these drop-downs here in column D and assign that severity level here. Then make a note of any occasions where any of the impacts listed have occurred in the past. Column E, you can click whether that has happened already using Y for yes or N for no, or you can type those in and it will autofill for you. And then use column F to add some more details about those examples. Be as specific as possible if this is the case, so it can be extremely useful to know real-life examples of something happening and justifying why adapting to these risks are important. This tab attempts to incorporate as many areas of the healthcare system as possible, but it's by no means exhaustive, and therefore it's recommended you supplement the list with any other impacts you think could be possible or are important to consider. You can do this by inserting extra rows at the bottom of the table, as such. So you would type direct health impact in here, and then type the rest of the details in as normal. Video 4 in this series talks through tabs 3A and 3B, which can be used to help identify other potential impacts on your sites and operations, as well as potential adaptation techniques, as will be discussed in video 4. Other ways to think of potential impacts are to look at your existing business impact risk assessment or your EPRR documentation to see if any impacts are listed in there, and to think of or ask your colleagues about events that have happened in recent years, such as floods and heat waves, and document what impacts occurred as a result of these.